Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to report an email in Outlook as a junk or spam or even a phishing. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your Outlook account. I'm using Outlook website now. And then in this page you can choose the email you want to report. Let's say I want to report this email. You can click the email and then click three dots here to open the more action tab, and then as you can see you can choose report tab here, and there is three options: report junk or spam, report phishing, and report a concern. It's up to you. If you think it's a spam, you can just report junk. If you think it's phishing, you can just choose this one. And if you have a concern with the email, you can just click report a concern. So I'm gonna choose report junk. Maybe you can just click on it, and you can report and block also. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.